Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by accepting that this process often erases user data. That's why backup matters. Power the tablet, charge above 50%, and note the exact model and Android version so you choose the right recovery key combos. Once done, remove SIM/SD cards to avoid accidental issues and make sure you know the Google account email tied to the device. Now, you're ready to enter recovery mode using the device's hardware buttons to proceed with the unlock. You press the correct button combination, usually power plus volume up or down, until recovery appears. That combo varies by model, so follow the exact sequence for your tablet. Once in recovery, move with volume keys and select Wipe Data/Factory Reset, then confirm to clear the pattern and accounts. This is how Android removes the lock at system level. After completion, choose Reboot System now. Be patient, because the first startup after a factory reset can take. You'll set up the tablet like new. Connect Wi-Fi, sign in with the original Google account to clear factory reset protection, and restore any backups if available. Make sure to create a new secure lock method and enable Find My Device so future recovery is simpler. If the device prompts for the previous account and you don't have credentials, don't attempt questionable bypasses. Instead, contact the OEM or provide proof of purchase to authorized support. This avoids bricking or violating terms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.